Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create a task from file-proofing comments. Here we have a project, and here we have a task that includes a file with completed proofing. Let's open this task and proceed to the attachments. Here, we can see the attached file. Let's open this file. We can see a comment at the top. By clicking on the comments, we are able to see the comment details. To create a task using this comment, we will simply click on Create and select Create Task. Here, we can change the project by clicking on the drop-down. You can add the task in the same project or in a different one. Simply choose your project and add a task name. The description is automatically added using the comment. Next, we can add a due date by clicking on Due Date, selecting the duration from the calendar, and hitting Apply. To add an assignee, simply click on Assignee and pick a assignee from the list. Once everything is done, click on Create Task. We have now successfully created a task. Let's close this file and let's close this task pop-up. At the top, we can see the new task that we just created from the file-proofing comment. And that's how you can easily create a task from file-proofing comments. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.